Hello everyone, welcome to Lotus Talks Nucleus. I'm Wang Yijiao, a youth nuclear science volunteer from the Voice of the Little Lotus. Previously, we talked about the nuclear super energy. Some of you might wonder, energy is just energy. Why call it super? The answer lies in the tiny particles inside the atom. Inside the atomic nucleus, protons carry a positive charge, while electrons orbiting outside carry an equal negative charge. Neutrons also inside the nucleus have no charge. Here's a cool fact about electricity. Opposite charges attract, while like charges repel. This means protons, all positively charged, should push away from each other. But when they get extremely close, a super strong force kicks in. This force overpowers the repulsion and glues them together in the nucleus. Neutrons mixed among the protons also helped stabilize the nucleus, reducing proton-proton repulsion. This extraordinary force is called the strong nuclear force, the strongest force in the universe. When it is broken, an enormous amount of energy is released. Because of the immense strength of the strong nuclear force and the large amount conversion, the energy released in nuclear reaction is far greater than that of any other energy source. For example, comparing equal mass of uranium-235 and coal, the energy released from uranium-235 fission is 2.7 million times greater than that from burning coal, making its energy density incredibly high. Besides nuclear fission, there's another type of reaction, nuclear fusion. Can you guess how it works? Stay curious. We'll explore fusion next time.